So recording sound, I'm recording sound here, I'm using this microphone. The reason why this audio sounds alright is because I'm nice and close to my mic. I've got a pop filter here as well, which is filtering out some kind of sound. You don't need to stress about any of that kind of stuff. If you're recording sound, nice and simple, whatever you're using to record sound, for example your phones are decent enough for recording sound, keep it nice and close to your source, the thing that you're recording the sound of. If I were to record me speaking this on my phone, and I were to keep it well over in the other side of the room, the audio would be really poor. You'd get a lot of interference because there'd be other sound sources much closer to my microphone, which would disrupt. If you're recording something like voiceover, make sure you're doing it indoors, ideally in a quiet room. Some people do it under a duvet because it's great for kind of limiting reverb and getting rid of echo. Just make sure you're in a controlled environment. Wind is a huge disruptor of sound, so unless you want wind noise to be in your recording, get rid of wind, record inside, record in shelter, something like that. Now, one thing that we do as filmmakers is record something called wild track or Atmos, which is short for atmosphere. It's basically atmospheric sound that makes you feel immersed when you're listening to audio. So say if you're looking at a film that's in a jungle and they didn't record any sound in real time when they were recording the video, they might go with a microphone and record just jungle sound effects, which they could layer over that video. Makes it feel right. If we were to record Atmos in a warehouse for a jungle, it would sound really odd. It wouldn't be very immersive. It would sound rubbish, basically. So it might be worth just doing a bit of an audio record using your voice notes app on your phone just to capture the atmosphere of anything that you're filming, just so you can use that extra bit of audio to knit together your recording and use it basically to help smooth out and patch up your film.